guys, welcome back to my channel. How have been your day? I hope you had fun. I hope you had a good Sunday over there. And so I'm back home. Yes, I'm back home. And then in this video I'm going to be doing a very new thing, a very new content. Not really like that, but then I don't really think I've done. Okay, yeah, I've done one, but not a long video like this. So this is going to be a new episode on its own. I posted on the community 2 days ago, and then I asked people to vote, and then this content got the highest vote. So that's why I'm doing this. And then before I forget, thank you very much for the 400 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really love you. Thank you, 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 and thank you. And so in this video we are going to be making one of the Yoruba dishes, one of the Yoruba food called Moimoi. It's made from bean. It's made from bean. For this meal you need bean, you need palm oil, you need pepper, you need salt, you need those seasoning ingredients, and then you need your baking pan, either milk tin or nylon or leaf, whatever you love to make with, you love to make it with. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to be a subscriber. No, we have fun here, we learn Yoruba language and have fun while also learning. So do not forget to subscribe. You never will regret doing so. Okay, let's get started. And so the first ingredient for meme is bean. So you have to soak your bean in water for a few minutes, like 5 to 7 minutes, and then you have to peel out the shaft from the bean. But then the other method is kind of too slow, and I don't want to waste my time. So that's why I went to use the old school way. This is the old school way. This is how our grandmother, our great grandmother does then rather. So you just have, if you have your grinding stone, you can do this as well. It's very fast, and if you don't, you can just use your hand together. Then after you've either grind or use your hand together to take out the shaft, to peel it, then you sieve. You add more water to it, then you sieve the shaft away from the bean. So you have to do this until the very last shafts. I know sometimes you don't really you're not able to remove all shafts, but then you just have to try. Then you get your pepper as well. You get this one is bell pepper. It's called tatashe here in Yoruba land. It's very important for your meme. It gives it that good appearance. Then your Scotch bonnet too. Then you wash them together, and your bean as well. Wash it very well. Then you put into your blender and your blender cup, and then don't forget to add your onion as well. It's very important. If you have crayfish as well, you can add together to blend together. Add little water to it to enable it to blend very well. Then blend and make sure and start blending, and make sure that it's well blended. Yes, meme needs to be well blended. So ensure you blend it well, and then when you're done blending, then you are ready to mix everything together. Point to a bowl and then mix thoroughly. Meme needs to be mixed thoroughly. It really needs mixing seriously, so you can have a succulent and soft meme to eat. And so you can have your orishirishi. I call them orishirishi. Here with me I have fried meat, and then I have sausage here as well. So I'm going to slice everything. I'm going to dice it into smaller pieces, and then you have your salt and your seasoning cubes. If you have your grounded crayfish as well, you can add it to it. So I've diced the meat and then the sausage together, so I'm going to be pouring it in. So when before then, you need to mix the meme together, because it's really needs mixed, like I've said earlier on. It gives it the soft taste, the soft texture, and the succulent taste. So then when you have mixed a bit, so you can pour your seasoning ingredient, mix together, then add water. You're going to add water, because if we are to cook like this, it's going to be too hard to swallow, like it's going to be like a brick. So, and you don't want a meme like that. So put in some water to mix together to have a soft texture, so it can be easy, it can be edible. Then after that, we need palm oil. Do not forget I said palm oil. Though in Yoruba, some people some people use, what's it called, vegetable oil, ororo, But then this is the original one. We call it meme ilepo. Ilepo, epo there means palm oil. So this is the local, this is the original meme. Meme needs palm oil, not vegetable oil, but some people prefer vegetable oil. You can do that as well. But then locally, originally, meme should be elépo. That is, you need to add palm oil to it. So when you've mixed together with your palm oil, your seasoning cubes, every other thing you've mixed together, then and we are almost done. Then you can put your orishirishi. I call it orishirishi because it's mixture of all of different things. So sausage, meat. I actually do use fish as well. I prefer that Titus, Titus fish, mackerel. So, but then I couldn't go to market. That was why. So I didn't have fish at home. So, but then if you have fish as well, I really really love fish inside meme as well. So you just have to put your orishirishi. You can put in egg too. Yes, egg. People put in egg, but I don't really like that. But I prefer fish, meat, and so on like that. So you then when you are done mixing together, then you need your baking pan. In this case of mine, I'm using milk tin. So you can use leaf as well. If you want me to make video on that, you can actually tell me. Okay, so when you are done putting it into your baking pan, then you put it in your pot and water, then you have to cook for like 40-35 minutes, and then after that time it's good, but make sure you are checking it because it might get burn. You have to be adding water to it. And then here we have us. Can you see we have a delicious, beautiful looking men ready to be consumed. You can eat it's very good meal. You can eat with bread, you can eat with pap, you can take with gari, whatever you love, and it's very 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 delicious. It's one of my favorite food. I really love it. You would never go wrong with meme. So you can try it as well. You can see beans in any country you are, and all these ingredients as well. So it's a very easy food and delicious and nutritious. Yes, very very nutritious. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, love you.